last 21 months of the pandemic have been so difficult on so many people, and those of us in healthcare have been on the front lines since day one. It was really important as we took a step back to try to figure out ways to really fill up our hearts. And one of the ways that we thought best to do so was to really have everyone reflect on what they're grateful for, what makes them resilient, what they're hopeful for in 2022, and really acknowledge the words and the thoughts and the feelings of all of our teammates and clinicians here at Kaiser Permanente San Francisco.
As a leader, man, I am just grateful for getting to come to work every day with this wonderful organization. Kaiser as a whole is just an amazing organization that really cares about employees and really cares about the members equally. And I hope with this, people get an uplift. I was reading through some of these notes here before I wrote mine, and it puts a smile on your face when you see what people are grateful for each and every day, and personal life as well.
As a pediatrician, I've just had such an amazing department. My colleagues, all of the staff that work with me, we've just really come together to take care of our patients and take care of each other in this such a trying time. And I'm also very grateful for the leadership team here in San Francisco. I've just had amazing opportunities to work with people across the medical center in ways to support both our patients, our communities, and each other.
It's too easy to focus on all the things that have been difficult and hard during the past couple of years. And it's important to remember that there are still so many positive things going on. And we're lucky in so many ways, those of us who work here. If we focus on some of those positive things, it'll pull us through.
For me, I'm grateful for all the department leaders that I work with here at Kaiser.
I'm grateful for my family, for my health, and for my Kaiser family.
I'm truly grateful for my compassionate, competent, caring colleagues.
I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful to have a job. I'm grateful to help people, our patients, every day.
I am so grateful to the people that work here and so honored to have been a part of the team here. I am so grateful to the physicians and the nurses and the support staff that work here, the countless hours of overtime, the personal risk that they took in coming to a hospital when we knew little about this pandemic disease, and yet every day they showed up. I think all of that at this moment in my life is really important to reflect back on and to say with pride, I am proud to be a part of the San Francisco team.
We came out of this stronger, more flexible, more resilient, more innovative. We figured out how to do more with less. We figured out how to pivot the way we deliver care, the way we meet the needs of our community. We vaccinated half the city. You brought your bravery forward, you brought your curiosity, you brought your compassion when there were no visitors or families allowed, and you really came together to help one another in a time of crisis. And I'm so grateful for the collaboration, for the compassion, and the creativity that all of you displayed.